I just came across this fascinating AI memory management toolkit called ReMe. It really changes how we think about agent memory.
Oh, I've heard a bit about that. It aims to tackle issues like limited context windows, right? That's a huge deal.
Exactly, it allows conversations to inherit information over time, so we're not starting from scratch each time.
Wait, that's a game changer. So, does it just condense old conversations into usable memory?
Yes, it condenses important info while keeping the context intact. It's like giving AI a real memory.
That's interesting. But how does it decide what information is important?
Great question. It uses a system of compacting history into structured context checkpoints.
Structured checkpoints. Can you give an example of what that looks like?
Sure, it includes goals, constraints, progress, key decisions, and next steps. It's super organized.
I like that. It seems more efficient than just raw data dumps. But could it miss critical context?
It's possible if the compaction isn't done carefully, nuances might be lost.
Right, and that could lead to misunderstandings later on. It's a balancing act.
Absolutely, and there's also a tool result compaction feature to deal with large outputs.
So it basically prevents overflow in memory from oversized tool results. That's clever.
Exactly, it truncates large outputs and saves the full content separately, which helps manage memory.
Doesn't that create an additional step for the AI to handle? I wonder how that impacts speed.
That's a valid concern. However, it seems designed to keep the process efficient without too much lag.
Efficiency is key, but it's intriguing how it manages to keep things readable.
Right, plus, it uses a file-based memory system that's editable and portable.
Editable files. That's a big departure from traditional opaque databases.
Totally, it allows users to see and modify their memory directly, which is empowering.
I can see how that would be useful, but won't it require some level of user understanding to manage?
Yes, it does require some knowledge, but it could be a great learning opportunity.
That's true. It's like giving the user a chance to engage more deeply with the AI.
Exactly, and with its vector-based memory system, it manages different memory types seamlessly.
Vector-based, that sounds complex. What memory types are we talking about?
It includes personal memory, task memory, and tool memory. Each serves a specific purpose.
Interesting, but how does it retrieve that memory efficiently?
It uses a hybrid retrieval method combining vector semantic searches with traditional keyword matching.
So it can find both related concepts and exact matches. That's a nice balance.
Exactly, it really captures the nuances of language while still being precise.
But what about privacy? With so much stored data, how do they secure it?
Great point. The toolkit emphasizes user control and data management, but security measures aren't fully detailed.
That's a bit concerning. In an age of data breaches, security should be a priority.
Absolutely, it's crucial for user trust. I hope they address that in future updates.
Same here. I'm curious about how developers will adopt this tech and what use cases emerge.
It'll be interesting to see. It really opens up a realm of possibilities for AI interactions.
Totally. I love how this toolkit encourages agents to engage more intelligently.
So if we put this all together, ReMe could drastically improve user-agent relationships.
Exactly. But it's also a reminder of the responsibility that comes with managing AI memory.
For sure, it's a balancing act between usability and security that we have to keep in mind.
Wow, I didn't realize how nuanced this topic was. It's got me thinking about the future of AI.
Right? It makes you wonder what else is possible with thoughtful design in AI systems.
Absolutely. There's definitely more to explore here. I can't wait to see how it evolves.
Same here, it's clear that memory management will play a big role in AI's future.